Hi, everyone. I'm Sarah. Welcome to Mrs. English Talk. Think of this as a safe place. Real English for real life.
That's right, Sarah. I'm Mike, and here, whew, there's no pressure. None. No perfect English. Just honest talk to help you feel confident speaking every day.
You know, Mike, we studied English for years in school. Grammar, exams, books, everything. But when we talk to real people, USA, UK, it feels, very different, right?
Exactly, Sarah. Many people say, I know English, but I can't use it in real life. So today, let's talk honestly. School English versus real life. What people actually use.
So, Mike, I was thinking, in school, we learned these long sentences. Very correct, yes. But also, very heavy. Example, we learned to say, I am extremely delighted to meet you. Who even says that? But in real life, people don't talk like that.
No, they really don't. Yes, in the USA or UK, most people say, nice to meet you. Or, even, hey, nice meeting you. It's just so simple, natural, relaxed. School English teaches rules first. Real life English? Whew, that's all about comfort first.
And I think that's exactly why many adults, parents, feel so nervous. They have this idea in their heads, my English must be perfect or I shouldn't speak.
Right. But here's the truth. Real life doesn't need perfect English. No, it needs clear English. Think about real conversations. People make mistakes all the time. People stop mid-sentence. People use short phrases, and honestly, nobody cares.
Okay, let's give a real example. Mike, imagine you are at a school meeting in the USA. Now, the school English sentence, it would be, I would like to discuss my child's academic performance. Ugh, but real life English, it's just, I want to talk about my child's progress.
Spot on. And here's the thing. Both are correct, but one feels human, while the other just feels like a textbook.
Hi, look, I'm a bit worried about my child.
Oh, okay, sure. Tell me, what's going on?
Well, she's trying, but reading, it is just hard for her.
I totally understand. Let's see how we can help.
Did you hear that? Just simple words, no grammar pressure, and a very real conversation. So listen, if you feel like I learned English, but real life English is different, oh, please know this, you're not wrong.
Not at all. You just learned a different type of English. But now you need real conversations, simple sentences, and just daily life practice. Trust me, that's how confidence grows.
Remember, you don't need perfect English. You just need useful English.
Exactly. So try this today. Speak just one simple English sentence without fear.
Oh, and please comment below. We really want to know, where do you feel school English doesn't help you in real life? Both of us. Thanks for listening to Mrs. English Talk.